Sati, welcome back to Tech Submatrix, where we explore how technology is shaping our world. Today, we're diving into the future of home building in California, a state known for its innovation, but also for its challenges, like the devastating wildfires in Los Angeles County. Stick around as we uncover how new regulations and emerging technologies aim to rebuild safer, smarter, and more sustainable communities. Wildfires have been a wake-up call for California, pushing policymakers to rethink home building practices. New regulations are leading the way, requiring fire-resistant materials like non-combustible roofing and siding, tempered glass windows, and defensible space around properties. These changes aren't just about protecting homes, they're about protecting lives. Let's break down some key changes. First, new building codes emphasize fireproof materials and designs. Second, land use policies now discourage construction in high-risk fire zones. And third, homes are being built with renewable energy solutions, solar panels, battery storage, and even water-efficient systems to tackle climate challenges like drought. But it's not just about individual homes. California is exploring the idea of smart cities. These urban areas use advanced technology to optimize energy, water, and transportation systems. Imagine homes that can self-monitor for fire risks, or cities where drones deliver emergency supplies in minutes. Sounds futuristic, right? Of course, not everyone sees smart cities as a perfect solution. Critics argue that these cities might lead to privacy concerns, or even corporate control over public spaces. And then there are the conspiracy theories. Some say disasters like wildfires are being used to push people into high-tech urban centers. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Despite the controversies, one thing is clear. The way we build homes and communities in California is changing. Entire neighborhoods are being designed with fire-resistant layouts, underground utilities, and shared emergency shelters. It's a new vision for safety and sustainability. The future of home building in California is about more than just rebuilding. It's about reimagining what's possible. From fireproof materials to smart city innovation, these advancements aim to make our homes safer and our communities more resilient. But what do you think? Are these changes enough, or is there more work to be done? Thanks for watching Tech Submatrix. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious and stay innovative.